First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 9 by 13-inch pan with parchment paper. Grab a medium bowl and whisk together 2½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Set it aside. In a large bowl, beat 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of sugar until it's light and fluffy. Now mix in 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract if you like. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture until just combined. Press the dough evenly into your prepared pan. Bake for 20-25 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Let it cool completely. While that's cooling, let's make the frosting. Beat 1/2 cup of softened butter until creamy. Slowly add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Want some color? Add food coloring. Spread the frosting over the cooled bars. Top with sprinkles if you want. Cut into bars and enjoy.